Hey guys, my name is Hector. Welcome back to the channel. It's super early today, but today is finally time. I'm going to my boy Victor shop right now. Currently waiting on my boy Adrian to get here. But for the meantime, here's Oreo. Oreo, come here. Give me a ball. Give me a ball. Good girl. Look at her though. She's ready for the holidays. Wearing a turtleneck with a striped sweater.
Number striped sweater. The best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time. One with a collar, turtleneck, that's the kind.
Alright, Adrian's finally here.
Hey, what's up?
You can't even see him. Hold up, I'm gonna bring it out right now.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, it's gonna be the last cold start ever. But this is exhaust, so I'll record it for you guys right now. Alright, now that the sensitive alarm went off, you can hear it better. Ah, you're good. Oh, fuck. We're gonna test this out, see how it sounds. So my boy Victor helped me put this on, all of it. He's gonna be the one driving it. See how it feels, see how it sounds. You're gonna destroy that old man's ears. Boatmobile. So far, no scraping, huh? Yeah, that's a good thing.
We'll find out right here.
Oh, fuck. First bump. Oh, there it is. A little tap. A little tap. takes you all the way out here?
Takes you back.
Shit.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take the high road and hop in. Open up, OPN, OPN.
Alright, we're here finally. Gonna eat some good breakfast. All reliable Denny's. Sheesh. Dirty as fuck. Then we got the V8 Versa over there. It turned from a really foggy day to a really nice day, actually. Holy shit. Alright, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video so far. Huge shout out to Victor for helping me install the cold air intake and the exhaust. Didn't want to really record too much in there, just, you know, respect his privacy and, you know, all his fellow friends there. If you guys want to see more car related videos in this channel, if you want to see some more of my 350Z, just anything car content, just let me know, comment down below and let me know that, or do you guys want a different channel for that? But regardless, I'll, you know, mix around videos on different content, keep you guys satisfied and just keep uploading videos for you guys. Also, another update on the giveaway. It's going to be on the 23rd instead of the 25th or 24th. A lot of people are going to be with their families and not a lot of them are going to participate in the giveaway. So I want to give you guys your time with your family, not with me, as I also want to be with my family and not streaming or, you know, taking my time away from them. I also put a poll the other day to see if you guys want me to make a video with my wife on our top 10 movies or top 10 memes that we like this year. So movies won, so we'll be making a video soon on that. And of course, it's our opinion and it's our top 10. We're probably gonna have different opinions on different movies. I liked a lot of movies that she didn't like, but yeah, that'll be fun. That'll be coming soon. And until next time, guys, catch you guys later.